Hello Lana, how do you do? Welcome again to Manifested Online Classes. We are going to continue with their further solutions to questions on this topic, longitude and latitude, whose main objective is to give the learner varied experience on solving questions on longitude and latitude. So just to reiterate, it is further solutions to questions in our lessons, and the objective is to give the learner varied experience on solving questions on longitude and latitude. So it's good when we do it using an example. That's why I'm going to write down a question for us to solve. So Lana, that is the question. 1A, taking the radius of the Earth to be 6,370 kilometers, find the distance between two places on the equator having a longitude difference of 1 degree. And in B, a town X has a latitude of 50 degrees north. How far is it due north of the equator? Find the distances in kilometers. So when you come to the solutions, it's good to have some sketch, taking that as the equator. You can denote the towns to be A and B. That is the center of the Earth. So when they want the distance, they are talking of A, B. So once you have the equator, when they mention the word equator, you know that is a great circle. The equator is a great circle. So the angle subtended here, according to the question, is 1 degree. 1 degree. It's like an arc length. We are finding arc length AB when we are given the radius of the circle. So the distance in question will now be of the 2 points AB, the distance AB will be given by 1 degree. To make a complete, going through the circle is 360 degrees times 2 times pi times r. So luckily enough, you've been given your r to be 6,370. So you'll come and just substitute times 2 times 22/7 times 6,370 kilometers. So on solving, this is 910. Work out, this will be 180. If you work out that well, you'll get that distance AB learner will be given 112.22 kilometers. Know that if you look this, it is one of the distances that was equivalent to 60 nautical miles. If you remember, that is how we equated this to 60 nautical miles and we got that relationship. But they are not asking us for that. So that is the solution or the answer to that question. We come to B. As usual, a sketch is very important. A town X has a latitude of 50 degrees north. So it's good to have your sketch. Have the equator. So the town so you are told it could be town X here. This is latitude 50 degrees north, and you can even show it. 50 degrees. So they are asking how far is it from the equator? How far is it from the equator? So you can denote that distance by A, B. Distance from the equator to the town, AB, you can say that distance, first of all say that distance is on a great circle. That distance is on a great circle because it is on a longitude. It is on a longitude. So using these, if you have this, that distance is this one. All these are great circles. So it is on a great circle. So to move to that latitude, you'll be moving along a certain longitude. So it is on a great circle. It is on a great circle because it is on a line of longitude. A line of longitude. So distance AB, you realize it is subtended by 50 degrees. 50 degrees over 360 times 2 pi r. But r is given lana. So you'll come and say it is 50 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6,370 kilometers. So you work out 1, 9, 10, 0, 0, 2, 1, 2, 8. If you work out that correctly, you'll get 5,000. This will be equal to 5,561.1 kilometers. So that distance AB, which is the distance of that longitude from the equator, is 5,561 kilometers. So learn a check how you work out. The sketches are very important. Like this one, when I drew, I knew it was on the equator. I could be able to see that 1 degree, which subtends at A, B. So in the assignment, so Lana, that is the question, which is a typical example of some of the application I told you about the navigators and the shippers. A ship in distress sends out an SOS. An SOS is just a signal of this may be distress. So a ship in distress sends an SOS and gives its position as 50 degrees north and 20 degrees west. This is the ship. It is not moving. When it is in distress, it just stands. That's why you'll have other two ships coming to rescue. The signal is picked by a ship X at 50 degrees north, 15 degrees west, and a ship Y 55 degrees north and 20 degrees west. Both ships can move at 20 knots, 20 nautical miles per hour. Find out which ship can arrive at the scene first. The scene is where the other ship has a problem. Also find the speed which the other ship can move in order to arrive at the scene the same time as the earlier one. It means there is one ship that will arrive earlier than the other if they do 20 knots. So that's why the other ships should increase in order for them to arrive at the same time. So go and work out the solution for that as you continue to build up the skills required to answer such questions. So thank you very much, and let's meet in the next lesson. Bye-bye.